Hello everyone, welcome to HiDevs Community Streamlit series. In this series, we will cover all our Streamlit applications on Jupyter Notebook machine learning projects. So let's start. So our today's topic is Employee Attrition Prediction Application. We have created this web application using Streamlit platform. So this model will basically predict the attrition for the particular employee. So in order to predict the value, we need to enter some input values to these parameters. Now the parameters are like age, business travel, daily rate, department. We have already divided it into some categories. Let's see. Age is 28, business travel 2. We are entering very random values. Which department? What is the distance from home? Let's say 5 kilometers. Educated or not? Yes. So the parameters on the basis of which we are entering the values, they are already divided into the categories. Employee count is let's say 1, employee number is 34th, environment satisfaction, male, hourly rate is job involvement, married or not, yes. What is the monthly income? The monthly rate is number of companies in which you work, let's say 3. Over 18 age, yes. Overtime hours, let's say 2 hours. What is the percent salary hike? 18. Performance rating is 4. Relationship satisfaction, yes. What are the standard hours? 8 hours. Stock option level, no. Total working years, 3 years. Work life balance or not, yes. Years at company, 1 year. Years in current role, 1 year since last promotion, 1 years with current manager, 1. So now we have entered all the values. Now let's click on predict button. So now you can see that it has successfully predicted that the employee will not leave the company. So here it is showing the output on the basis of the data given. For more accuracy, you need to feed more data to the model. If you want to get access to the source code, you can click on file section, app.py. Here it is the code to create this application. What is HiDevs? So before moving forward into the HiDevs community, I am happy to share with you all guys that we have successfully placed 10 plus students in their dream companies in the field of deep learning and generative AI along with data science. So now who are we? HiDevs is world's first open community which will help you in arriving straight to second round interview and cracking your dream company. So if you want to also get placed into your dream company, just join with us, join our network and get the free tools and resources to upskill and land your dream job. So what do you want? If you are confused that how to start in data science, if you want to improve your resume, if you want to update your LinkedIn profile, if you want to switch from non-tech to tech, or if you want to go into the new job, or you are looking for the interview, you are not getting the interview calls, then we are here. HiDevs is for you. We will help you in learning the new technologies, solving the problems with the help of ChatGPT. We will be solving real world projects, and along with this we will be improving your resume, cover letter, LinkedIn profile, and you will also get the personalized mock interviews. So we are here to help you in cracking your dream job. Just join our community and be with us and upskill yourself for getting into the field of data science and generative AI. Thank you.